Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Lucas from Foxtecc, and today I'll talk about how it works if you want to search for someone by their phone number on Instagram, or at least explain what's possible and what isn't. Let's get into it. First of all, it's really important to know that Instagram doesn't have a feature that lets you search for someone directly by their phone number. I mean, you can type it into the search, but it won't help you much. Even if they've connected their number to their Instagram account, there's no way to simply type in the number and pull up their profile. That's just not how Instagram is designed to work. Now, you might be wondering, why not? Other apps like WhatsApp allow you to find people using their phone numbers because that's a key part of how those apps function. But Instagram operates differently, focusing more on usernames and discovery features instead of direct phone number searches. That said, there's still a way to potentially find someone if their phone number is linked to their account, and it involves connecting Instagram to your contacts. To do this, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. It's the three little lines, and select Discover People. At this point, Instagram might prompt you to allow access to your contacts. If you agree, you'll need to turn on contact syncing. This can also be adjusted later in Instagram's settings or even in your iPhone's settings if you change your mind. Once syncing is enabled, Instagram will suggest accounts linked to the phone numbers in your contacts. Here's the important part. If the person you're looking for has their phone number associated with their Instagram account and they haven't disabled discovery through contacts, then their profile might show up in these recommendations. It's not guaranteed, but it's worth trying. And that's really all there is to it. Instagram doesn't let you search by phone number directly, but contact syncing can help you discover profiles tied to numbers you already have saved. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your devices. See you later.